Hi everyone, this is Felisa. Welcome to my Fall is Coming series. If you're interested in seeing this tour, just keep on watching. Happy Friday, loves. So today is the kickoff of my fall series. I know it may be a little early for some of you, but this is perfect timing for me. I love giving ideas and inspiration for the fall, for the Christmas, for summer, for spring, for all holidays and all days. I just love inspiring you guys. So anyway, you saw my blank slate post that I posted yesterday. I posted this room with no decor in it. It was nothing at all in it. And I did get a comment that gray is out. Like gray is not a trending color anymore. Me, Homebody with Felisa, I am here to tell you, you do not have to follow the trends in your home. You can do whatever you like, whenever you like. Never been a follower. I've always done what I wanted, when I wanted to do, not what everybody else was doing. So I have a, what we call a gray background, a neutral background. That way I can put any color that I see fit, and you will see, if you're new to this channel or if you've never clicked on my channel before, you will see I play with colors. I have so many colors that I want to play with for fall. I have just plain white, I have black, I have chocolate. I'm going to play with a little chocolate and gray this year. I've never played with chocolate before mixed with gray, but I cannot wait to share that color. I have purple, I have yellow. You know, I even have blush pink that I'm going to throw in here. You know, pink is hot right now, especially with the Barbie movie going out. But anyway, enough of my rambling and babbling going on. Let me tell you where the items came from that's in my pre-fall tour. So there's definitely something going on with the lighting. So I'm going to start over here with the wall art. I've used this wall art throughout the summer. It actually came from Home Goods. I love it because it has the gray framing around it. The sconces on the side of the wall art are from Z Gallery. The orange tapers that you see are from Hobby Lobby. They were a reasonable price, like $1.99. I like the fact that it has that squirrely look effect on them. The vase actually came from Z Gallery. I've had it for many years. And the flowers that you see in the vase, these are darling, and these are from Hobby Lobby. I had them last year, but you can get your hands on these this year from Hobby Lobby. These are cute. I'm not sure what these are called, but these are adorable. My fireplace, check it out. It's a slim, narrow fireplace. Now this came from Wayfair. If it's available, I will link it. I know it's like 100 degrees outside, but hey, this is pre-fall. I have my fireplace effects going on here. It's not putting out heat. It's just the effect. That ginger jar is from Home Goods. Now moving over here to this side, the mirror vase is from Z Gallery. I've had it for many years. The flowers in the vase, check these out as well. These are darling. This is actually two sets in here, and they're crunchy. It gives you that dried effect. I like these because it has that dark orange in there. It even has a little, it gives you like some little chocolate effects. You know, I'm going to play around with some chocolate. So you'll see these again because it'll be in with my chocolate tour. And look at this cute thing down here. I saw that and I just had to have it because it has the light orange and the burnt orange in it. This gnome here, then it has the white or off-white, because I wanted to throw a little off-white in this room. That came from At Home. And my little side tray, that is actually a eating tray there. I wanted something to slide in there so I can put the vase. So I slid that eating tray in there. My couch, my coffee, and my end tables are from Rooms to Go. I've had them for a couple of years, thinking about changing them out, but I really like that couch. So I'm probably going to hang on to it until I really get tired of it, but I'm loving that couch. Now, the candle holders here, the candle holders here are from Z Gallery. These candles are from Hobby Lobby. There's like 7 or 8 in a set that you can get. And I think Hobby Lobby has fall for 40% off right now. This gigantic pumpkin is from Home Goods. I love it because it's so huge. And it makes me not have to put too many pumpkins out. You know, you can actually decorate for fall without having, you know, pumpkins and owls and squirrels and leaves and stuff like that out. But, you know, I'm a home decor lover, so I had to have that pumpkin when I saw it. So I picked it up. And the items that you see down here, this is like some different little pumpkins and pine cones that I put in this tray. This tray is from Z Gallery, and those same candles that came in the set. Now let's turn around. Oh, the mirror is from Z Gallery. I've had it for I don't know how many years. This mirror is so heavy. Usually I like to change stuff around, but this is one thing that I do not move, and I have not moved forever because it's so heavy. So it's just going to stay there. Now panning around to this side, my drapes are from 2-page curtains, but these are pretty expensive. They gifted me these drapes from Amazon. No, I'm sorry, over on Instagram. And you can get some velvet drapes over on Amazon, and I'll place a link down below for some nice velvet drapes. My lamps are from Home Goods. My vases on the side are from Home Goods. These decorative objects here are from Ross. I showed them in the previous haul that I did. The chair is from Wayfair. Wall art is from Home Goods. And my rug is from Well Woven. My coffee table books was gifted to me from a young lady over on Instagram. And I'm going to save my entryway. It's all decorated really pretty too. I'm going to save that for another video. My bracelet pendant light up there is from ET2 Lighting. My double rods is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I hear that they're online. They have everything online now. The stores are closing. And I didn't say where these are from. These are from Michael's. These are some dried leaves. They're super cute. And that pillow there is actually a summer pillow. If you take a look at it, it just goes to show that you can use anything any time of the year. If you take a look at this pillow, you can see those tropical leaves in here. I forgot what they're called, palm leaves or whatever. But since it had, you know, the orange and the gray tones, I'm like, I'm using this. Now these are from Amazon. It's a pillow cover that I stuffed one of my pillows with. If I can find the link to that pillow, I will post it as well, because I know a lot of my followers do have the gray furniture or even the cream furniture. All this will go perfect with cream instead of using the silver vases and stuff like that. You can use your gold vases, or even if you have black or white or whatever. But I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.